Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one, we have 3e to the power of 3s. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. Later that, we divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. E to the power of 3s ds we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.